Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of I Tried Making Money Online. Guess what, guys? I tried these two websites to make money online, and then I realized you could make 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira performing micro tasks on this particular website. If you're seeing for the very first time, welcome to Financial House. I'm Amdala. What we do here is talk about how to make money online and offline business ideas and tips. If that is of your interest, hit the subscribe button and make sure you like the video as well. What are you waiting for? Like the video. I'm waiting. Now let's dive into today's video.
This particular website, I mentioned it in my video last year, and I mention it again because it's still working, and you could make up to 5,000 to 6,000 performing simple tasks with just your smartphone in Nigeria with this website. What's your Chrome browser? As usual, your Google browser, type in neraworker.com. Neraworker is just like a freelancing, outsourcing and crowdsourcing platform. They connect clients and influencers from all over the world. You as the earner or you as a freelancer, you are going to sign up an account not as a business owner but as a freelancer. You click on freelancer, you take a survey, you write honest review, test an app, you follow on social media. Those are the tasks you are going to perform on this particular website, and you could earn up to 150 per task, 100 naira per task, 15 naira per task, even some I think it's 20 naira. So there's highest paying job and there's low paying gig that you can actually perform. So if you perform like 150 task, like 5 or 6 in a day, that's more than 1,000 naira. So the process of registration, just to insert your name, your last name, your username, select gender, email address, referral code, password, and confirm password, and you click on sign up. So I'm not going to be creating an account, and you can see there that one person cannot own multiple accounts. Did you get? But anyways, if you can still do it if you want to do it, because you are not using the same phone number, and moreover they're not even collecting the number but the name. Sure. Anyways, let's just keep going. So once you create an account and you log in successfully, let me log in into my own account because I don't want to create another account. So I've logged in into my own dashboard. As you can see, welcome Tauham. I am many random worker, and you also perform tasks as well. So I'm going to click on available job, go to your dashboard and click on available job. As you can see here, there is most recent jobs and also highest paying jobs. So the most recent job, you can see 70 naira, 40 naira, some even 15 naira, some even 20 naira. So I like to click on the highest paying job because that's when you're going to make at least like 150, 120, 200, 100 naira. Did you get? So as you can see here, there's even 500 naira here, 400 naira, 400 naira. So the task might be just be complex than the simple task, like the first one that I actually clicked, which is like 14 naira, 15 naira. So if you perform like two of that 500 task, like 400 naira task again, you perform the 100, you could make just 1,000 naira performing 3 tasks in a day if you can do it. I said that if this particularly based on you, depends on you. If you can perform the task, then no worries, like you'll be able to make the money. But if you cannot perform the task, then you won't be able to make the money. And one more thing, make sure you read the description, like the follow the rules and regulation of that particular task you want to perform. Okay, so now let's go to the next website, which is the number 2 website. The name of the website is called Sidekick. So as usual, go to your Chrome browser or your Google browser, just click on Sidekick, click on this very first link, don't click on the other link. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to their home page. This is how their home page look like. You're going to see business, you're going to see worker, so you're going to click on worker side, make money in your spare time. Then you click on start work. All you need to register is your name, your email address, your password, and that's it. You click on create account. So I'm going to be logging into my account now, since I've already created an account on this particular platform before. So after logging in, you're going to see all these tasks here on Sidekick. The task here is not that much, it's just like 56 naira, like 6 naira, 10 naira, compared to the first one, which is the Naira Worker. But this one you can just do outside, or like just maybe like you want to make like 100 naira or 200 naira here per day, you can do it. So that's like we make like 100 naira or 200 naira here per day. That's like 1,000 naira in 5 days. So guys, that'll be all about these two websites. Give it a try and let me know what you think about the website in the comment section as well. See you on my next video. Bye, take care.